SmartRapper gang.
All right, so let me tell you about this time. This dude walked up to me and Rob, and he was like, "Man, I got a song that BET just shot a music video for." No lie, dog. Like, let me tell you what happened. Yeah, I'll play you the song right now. And Rob was immediately like, "Don't play your song for me, dog." He's like, "No." He's like, "Please, don't play your song for me. I'm telling you right now because I'm brutally honest, and you're not gonna like me after this." So he's like, "Nah, man, I like that. I like positive feedback. It makes me better." Rob took the phone. We start playing the record. 10 seconds, Rob was like, "Nah." He's like, he pushed it back in his chest. He was like, "Nah, that ain't it." Did you pay for this BET placement? Did he say yeah, right?
Yeah, he was like, "Yeah, I'm paying for the video." And I'm like, "Okay, you're getting scammed."
Yeah. So I was like, "Where'd you record that?" He was like, "On my phone." So you mean to tell me that BET took your song, a song you recorded on your phone?
Black Entertainment Television.
And he wasn't black, by the way.
Yeah,
he was Spanish.
Yeah, he's a Spanish dude. And we was like, "Bro, like, you getting scammed, bro. You gotta watch that, bro."
It's like this. The guy walked up and he had so much confidence. I believed that it was possible. Only because of his confidence level. But that shows you how far confidence goes. If he wasn't confident initially, I wouldn't even have gotten to the point to even listen to the song. Yeah. Right? Now the reason I handed him his phone back was because the moment he started rapping, I hate making fun of people. And I'm not making fun of them. I just feel bad even talking about it. But I'm trying to teach you guys something.
Yeah, that's
wow. It was like, can you remember? I can't do it.
Dog, the song played for like 4 seconds flat, and Rob was like, "Nope."
But actually, before he even showed me the song, and before anything, I said, "You on BET?" No, in my head, by the way. I would never be that mean to somebody. And I said, "Be careful of scams." It's the first thing I said before anything. Then he showed how confident he was, and then I started believing it. I was like, "Okay, maybe. I gotta hear, you know what I'm saying? Maybe," right? So that shows you how far confidence will go with getting somebody to take you seriously and give you a chance, okay? Now the other thing you need though, you actually have to have the skill set.
Yeah.
If you're missing the skill set, then the confidence doesn't matter. But that's why you need to show confidence and massive belief in your music anytime you're displaying your music to somebody. Because if you show any type of doubt, they're gonna think, well, if this guy doubts himself, that allows them to have room for doubt before they even listen. They'll expect it not to be good. What happened here was he had so much confidence, I expected it to be good. Especially when you're talking about BET, but the moment I heard it, I was like, "No, you're getting scammed, bro. Get your money back." Immediately, right? So, if anything you can learn from this video, confidence matters, but obviously you have to have the skill set, okay? And you need people who's gonna be honest with you, because this guy had no honest people around him, except for me. But I'm no longer in his life. So he needs another person to be honest with him, you know what I'm saying? You need somebody to be honest. You should not be running around trying to get paid for opportunities. There's so many scams out there in the music industry right now, just preying on the hopes and dreams of music artists. I get messages every day. Yesterday, somebody sent me a message, "Oh, I got offered a label deal." He has 26 followers.
How? Oh, that's
exactly. It's not how. It's not real on Instagram. He messaged me, DM me, "Rob, is this real?" I'm like, I literally said to him, "You have 26 followers. Labels are not going to attempt to sign you unless you've already established and created your own buzz and have the social proof and credibility that your music is actually good and has been tested in the market." It's that simple, right? So if somebody offers you a placement on BET or a placement here or there, call BET and ask them if they know who this guy is. If somebody offers you a WorldStar placement, you can email WorldStar and you can pay to get placed on there. Although it's $9,000 for a post up. That's because that goes on their YouTube channel, which is going to get you a minimum of 100,000 views. And you can say you're on WorldStar. So there's, you know what I'm saying, you can work out a deal and get them to like 6,500. They're very street how it's ran over there. It's not ran like, you know, they're just collecting, they're just getting paid. So confidence matters. And if you walk up to somebody in the street, never tell them it's recorded on a phone. Right. Just like, let me figure that out for myself. Hope you guys learned from this. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you guys want more videos like this, start asking questions below, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start answering your questions here in front of everybody, and then they'll ask a question about that, and then I'll go further into it. I think that's a way better way to be detailed. Like if they have a question, and I'm just like, because I have hundreds of questions already screenshotted that we can do that with.
Yeah.
Right? And but they can get more information. It's different than me like sitting at a desk and delivering it, as opposed to being in a room and somebody says something or has feedback and input. So ask your questions below. The channel is going to blow up. We're going right to 1 million subscribers. I'm telling you guys right now, okay? Everything's changing, everything's blowing up. Just like I said, you're grateful. Because it reminds me every hour on the hour, you guys know that? Mm-hmm. That's what it says. It says, I'm grateful, or you're grateful, every hour on the hour.
Really?
That's what I have Alexa say.
I did not know that.
Yeah, that's why it says that. And it reminds me to like take a deep breath and be like, I am grateful. Just a reminder. I do it every 30 minutes, but it would just be, it would be in my way.
Be grateful all the time.
It'd be too grateful. Screw me up. All right, y'all, hit subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment below with any questions you have that you want us to answer on here. And we'll be actually shouting you guys out too if you ask that question. So ask those questions. And keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top because we there. SmartRapper gang.